My name is P. Jayapriya, that BST St. Mary's College, Autonomous Thuthukudi. My topic is World War II 1939 to 1945. Introduction. The Second World War 1939 to 1945 was one of the most significant and devastating conflicts in human history. Involved most of the world's nations, including all the great powers, divided into two opposing military alliances, the Allies and Axis powers. Cases of the Second World War, Treaty of Versailles 1990 has coordinated enforced on Germany after World War I. Rise of territorial regiments. Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler, Fascist Italy under Patino Mussolini, and Imperial Japan under military relationship. Major Axis powers: Germany, Italy, Japan. Germany led by Adolf Hitler, aiming at export territory and establish the Third Reich. Italy led by Benito Mussolini, seeking to build an empire in Africa and the Mediterranean. Japan seeking dominate in East Asia and the Pacific. Major alliance power: United States in Italy neutral joined the war in 1941 after the attack on Pearl Harbor. United Kingdom led by Winston Churchill backed accession from the start. China engaged in war with Japan signed 1937. Key events of war: 1939 Germany invades Poland. 1942-41 Battle of Britain, Germany invasion of the Soviet Union. 1941 Pearl Harbor attack by Japan. 1942-43 Key turning points: Battle of Midway. 1944 D-Day, Allies invasion of Normandy. 1945 End of the war in Europe and in the Pacific. The Holocaust. Overthrow of the Genocidal carried out by Nazi Germany, targeting Jews, Romanian, disabled individuals and others. Estimated 6 million Jews were murdered. Importance of remembrance and education. The end of the war. 1945 Hitler and the fall of Berlin. VE Day, May 8, 1945 Victory in Europe. The Yalta Conference discussed among Allied leaders about post-war Europe. VJ Day, September 2, 1945 Japan surrendered after the atomic bombings. Conclusion of the World War II. Political formation after united beginning of a Cold War. Economic reconciliation throughout programs like the Master Plan. Human cost over 60 million. Read despite dividation. Conclusion. Summary of key takeaways from the war. Importance of remaining the war's lesson for global peace in security. Thank you.